In the last few months, I have been studying hard to obtain the OSCP certification and the Hack the Box Certified Penetration Testing Specialist. If you'd like to help me financially achieve this, you can buy me a coffee. The link is in the description and comment section. This new crackmapexec netexec series is a part of the Active Directory Lab series on my channel. With tools like crackmapexec or netexec, we can automate attacks that were previously demonstrated and configured manually in my early videos. I highly recommend watching those videos to gain a comprehensive understanding of techniques like Kerberasting, ASREProast, and other Active Directory attacks. Crackmapexec is no longer maintained, but it can still be very useful. Some of the developers who originally contributed to the tool decided to create a fork to keep the project alive. The new project is now called netexec. Not only does netexec support the commands used in crackmapexec, but it also comes with additional features. Now the choice is yours. In this video, we can learn and practice how to get the ASREProast attack using crackmapexec or netexec. The ASREProast attack targets users without Kerberos pre-authentication requirements. This vulnerability allows anyone to send an ASREC request to the KDC on behalf of such users, receiving an ASREP message in return. This message contains encrypted data using the original user key derived from their password. Exploiting this, an attacker can potentially crack the user's password offline, especially if it's a weak one. Even if you don't have an account on the domain but possess a username list, you may get lucky finding an account lacking Kerberos pre-authentication. For more details, check out my videos on Active Directory Lab setup and related attack simulations, links in the description and comment section. Now we can use crackmapexec or netexec using the LDAP protocol with a list of users. We use the option ASREProast followed by a file name and specify the fully qualified domain name of the DC as a target. The output responds to crack with hashcat to file, so we can crack it using the 18200 mode in hashcat. We can request all accounts that do not require Kerberos pre-authentication with these credentials. Now we can start to compromise hosts or other users. Remember to subscribe, follow, share, and if you want, buy me a coffee. Until next time.